Good day, everyone. So, to go to our website, first search Kahidlaw Cafe store. So, this is the homepage of our website. So, our website offers a variety of information, and here on our homepage, you can see a glimpse a of the cafe itself and a short brief information about the cafe. You can read more here, and also here is the operating hours of the cafe itself. So, for the About section offers a more brief information about the website itself or the cafe itself. As you can see here, there is a brief information also about the owners and the testimonials of the customers itself and the ratings. And here is the ratings itself. So here in the announcement section, it keeps the customers updated about the events that is happening in the cafe. So as you can see here are some images about the informations of the events itself. So for the contact page of our websites offers different social medias and information to inquire or to contact the cafe itself. So here is the contact number, the email, the address, and some social medias that is handled by the cafe itself. Here is the Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. You can navigate or you can click through these icons for you to be navigated to the website to the social medias. Here's the TikTok and here is the Instagram.
Now let us move on to the offering page. Here in this page, you can see or the website shows different products and services that the cafe offers. First, we have the service. Here in the page, you can see we have a coffee booth. The Kahidlaw Cafe offers coffee booth for your events. Bring the Kahidlaw Cafe experience to your event with our coffee booth service. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, corporate event, or community gathering, our mobile booth serves freshly brewed coffee and handcrafted drinks right on the spot. And here at the bottom, you can see the services and packages that the coffee booth have. We have service 1, service 2, and service 3. It includes the prices, details, and how many baristas you can have. Next, we move on to our menu, the main purpose of our website. We have three different pages for our menu. First is the food menu. Here in this page, we have the sliders. You can slide it to check the most popular foods they have. And we have a pop-up model here so you can see more to check the details and the prices of the food. Now let us move on to the beverages or the drinks. Same with the food page, we have a slider and a pop-up model so you can see again the prices and details of the specific beverages or drinks. Lastly, we have the full menu page where you can see the full menu that the Kahidlaw Cafe offers. The same format with the food and beverages. We put it in a slider so you can hover it or click the bottom to navigate it and read it properly so that you can check whether or what you want to order in the Kahidlaw Cafe. And that's all for our website. Thank you for watching.